Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and oh my god, I've got the cutest haul ever. You will have seen from a lot of my stories that I've been unboxing loads of Labubus and crybabies, and thank you so much for all of the love, all of the views, all of the shares, and welcome to new subscribers. It has been incredible. So I thought I owe you a full size video which I'm going to unbox my Labubu special edition Coca-Cola figurines. So I've saved these for you guys because these are pretty special. These are genuinely from Pop Mart. So these were 690 yen. Is that the currency they use in China? I don't know how much that converts to in pounds or dirhams where we are in Dubai today, but hey, I've got them and I'm going to open them. So let's get started. I always hate this bit and I always struggle on videos to actually get the cellophane off because it's really tightly wrapped and I don't know, I just struggle. I need like a knife. Why didn't I bring a knife with me? I really don't know. Will I have to bite it? I mean, why is the shrink wrap so difficult? Maybe because of my nails. I bet you guys are like, just open the goddamn box. I agree completely. I'm going to see if I've got anything down here that I can use to, maybe this charger I can use just to get, oh my god, it's really difficult. It's literally got no edges. It's been like shrink wrapped like crazy. And I'm literally breaking the box to get through the plastic. Oh my god, guys, what is wrong with me? I'm meant to be like an expert unboxer here. Right, I've had to damage the box, but that's fine because we're not going to keep the box anyway. But even still, like, oh my god. Oh my god. Yay, I'm actually in. I'm so sorry. Right, we're in. We've had to damage the whole box. Right. So these are the Coca-Cola figurines. As you will have seen from my video previously, I have got some of the, I don't know, what do you call the difference? Like stuffed teddy Labubu. These are actually the figurines, and I also have, which I've been unboxing last week, the figurines for yoga, lazy yoga. So if you want to go and see those, go on my stories, and I'm going to be posting a lot more of Labubu, etc. Right, this is the first one. I mean, these are how they come. Let's see which ones we really like. I mean, they're all really cute because he's really aesthetic. He's white, little white fluffy Labubu. But I don't know who I love. And is there a secret? I don't see a secret on here, but let's give it a go. I've actually got like a lot to open, like 10. Like 10. Now the secret to opening a Labubu is that you don't actually look in the box because sometimes the card you can see. So they come in this cute little wrapper. We are the monsters. So I'm going to close my eyes because camera eats first. It's in a packaging, I think, and I can't. I don't know which way is up. Oh my god, there. Basically, I saw him first, so he's in like a little packaging. He's pretty cool with his Coke bottle. He's so cute, guys. Really, he's so cute. So that's the first one. Yep, so we've got that. I'm just going to keep all of the packaging. I'm not keeping away because I don't want to keep all of that. I do actually have a fluffy Labubu to open on this video as well, so we're going to do that at the end. This is the next one, number 2. No, it's a hard life just opening Labubus all day. Oh my god. Okay, try not to look at the card. I'm going to different packaging. And he's not in a card. I don't know which way is his face, so you guys can see both. Oh my god, he's upside down. Oh my god, he's got a little hat on. Oh, he has a little box as well. A lot of the time, especially with like the lazy yoga, they come with like a yoga mat, or in this case, this is like a little podium for him to sit on. So he's in his little bucket hat, which is so cute. It is really well made, like it's very specific how it fits. See how cute he is, guys? He actually looks evil though, maybe not so much cute. So he is definitely not a secret because I saw him. He is called Vacation Fit. Vacation Fit. So they come with that little card, which is also really cute. Right, number 3. Number 3, let's go. Actually, I probably got the wrong nails to be doing this. This is something I've realised I'm doing this now. Wrong nails. Okay, this one feels really big. So, oh, he's already laughing out. I think that's his face. Oh my god, he's got a little baby ones. No, stop. Look at the baby Labubus there. Oh my god, the little Coke machine. Okay, that's sweet. This is called Little Snowman. Really cutie. These ones I really like, actually. I hope I don't get any duplicates within this. Okay, this is number 4. I don't know if my camera is going to last me all this time. Like, we've been filming 7 minutes already, and okay. Nice. Ah, this one's really hard to get out. Let me see if I can feel his face. Okay. Oh my god, he's in like the ice bucket. He is called, oh, what are you called? I can't even read that on the box. Special sofa. So he's using the Coke as a sofa. These are so nice. I need to get a proper display. Guys, if you know of any displays, let me know, because I'm really struggling like to display my lazy yogas, my crybaby fluffies, my actual Labubu keychains. Like, I'm struggling. Number 5. Number 5. Whee! He's skiing. I don't think he comes with anything. He is Snowy Mountain. Again, no duplicates so far. Right, we're halfway through. Has he got something? Oh my god, am I throwing away something that's important? No, they just come with like special. My dog is also in here enjoying the haul life. This is number 6. 6 of 10. 6 of 10. Oh my god, I nearly saw it then. I had to like divert my eyes. But boop. Boop. Ah, he's got, I mean, they're very well packed. He's got roses. Look at those little flowers and a Coke. What's your name? God, he's so sweet. That's my favorite one so far. But his little face, he's like so happy. He's bringing his girlfriend roses and a Coke. Okay. Right, this is 7. 7, 7, 7, lucky 7, lucky 7. But I don't think there's any surprises, so I don't know why I'm saying that. Now the dog is eating the paper. Like, is it that way or that way? Oh my god, see, it's so well packed. He's in there having a little bath. This is time to cool down. He's very cute too. The dog is trying to eat the Labubu wrapping, which is always great. This is number 8. Ah, come away. Oh, he's naughty. He's got a bit of the cardboard. That's what I'm dealing with. I don't get any peace. Right, number 8. Oh, feels weird. I don't know. Is it that way? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. He's got like, it's velvet. Like, this is velvet, you know? Whee! This one is, look what I found. And he's on like a little, you know what? I just realized 3, 6, 9. Oh no, 10. Maybe I just get the 10. I always find that in these boxes that you will literally just get the 10 and then, and then obviously there's no surprises in this one, which, stop it. I'm sorry, we have a little cameo from the dog. Number 9. Whee! He's on his snowmobile. And he is Crazy Ride. Very nice. Right, we're going to do the last one now. And we've got no duplicates, so I'm assuming the one that we need to get is the one with skis on, I think. Oh, I think. Yeah. So I'm guessing it's going to be that. I'm guessing it's going to be that, for sure. Oh, he's got presents. So how many is there? Can I not count? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I already have the one with skis. Do I? Have I like had memory loss? Or have I got duplicate or something? Or have I got a special one? Ski. Oh my god. Like, am I crazy that I've got one that doesn't exist? Who is he? Oh my god, guys, I need to find out who he is. He's got a little base so he can stand up. This is gift delivery. So now we're going to have to go through and find out what the hell has gone on, because I've clearly not kept count of who I've got. So let's just go through. I have, do I have that one? I have him on the sledge. I have him in the in the trunk. I have him. No, guys, I have like completely different ones. What the hell? I have him. Gift delivery is at the bottom. This one is there. This one is Crazy Ride. This one is Surf. Then I've got that one. I think I've got a surprise one. Guys, there is a surprise one. But I don't know which one it is. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? No, I think I've got them all. So I don't have the one with, it's not skis, that's why. It's a snowboard. Okay, so basically, we've got all 10. And no surprise, because I can't obviously read. So that is the Little Monsters full unboxing. I also have actually a Labubu, which I wanted to show you guys. I got gifted this actually, but I just thought I feel sorry for him. Like, I don't want to throw him away. I don't want to, you know, I feel sorry that he's in this packet, and so I just thought, let's get this little Labubu out. Oh my god, guys, it's the black one. It's the black one. We've been waiting for the black one. Although it's a Labubu, does he have a card? He does, and it's not a great one, but it's super cute. Oh my god, guys, I actually want the real black one, grey one. They're really rare. But he's cute. I can gift this to somebody as a little joke. So yeah, amazing. Thank you so much for watching my Labubu unboxing. I'm gonna go to China and get some more crybabies, Labubus, etc, etc, etc. So I'm super excited because obviously this is so fun to do. I also have, which I've got some of the bits down here right now, a Zara haul, which is gonna be filmed next week. And oh my god, I have so much coming up. So please subscribe if you are in love with Labubus, Pop Mart, Sunny Angels, etc, etc. And of course, my dedicated Zara fans, when you join my channel, I'm sure you didn't expect to be watching Labubu unboxing, but we do have a huge, incredible Zara haul coming up next week. So see you there.